Go home happy with the 2024 Toyota Camry. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter.